guys, it's Misha now, and I will do my, my ukulele tutorial. So when I picked the song as I really love this song. This is Kahit, Ayaw by this band. So it's just so simple. So yeah, let's get started. The first chord is D. I will show you how. So this is the second to last. Just put 3 fingers in there so it will look that. Put your 3 fingers in there and then it will sound like this. There. And the next is B minor. So right, this is the D, right? You just add another finger down there. This is my technique. But they put it like that. Right, so there's D, so I will just put another. And then it will sound like this. And then the last chord is G. G, it will sound like this. That's the chords on the first one. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. Kahit ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang aawit. Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na, iibigin pa rin kita, kahit ayaw mo na. That's the verse 1 and the verse 2. So, the next thing is, of course, that's what I hate. The pre-chorus. It's so hard, and I don't even know what's that. I don't even know this thing. But let's start with the pre-chorus. The first line. The chorus there is only G. That I see sound like that, and the A was like that, and like that it will sound like this. And then the D. Yeah, the D. So yeah, let's start with the first line. Tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw ang pangalan mo. There. That's the pre-chorus and the chorus later. Just do the pre-chorus. So this is slow. 1, 2, 3, go. Joke, I'm just joking. Let's do it again. Cause the G is you know it, but the A is so hard. That only and like that. I use that many times. So let's tatakbo, tatalon. Is this so hard? Because it's G. On the tatakbo, tatalon, that's G. And the sisigaw is A until pangalan. And the D is mo. So let's do it. Tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw pangalan mo. Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. That's the pre-chorus. There, here's the hardest one. The chorus. That's so hard. So yeah, you don't even know something new. So yeah, let's do it. Wait. I will just cover in the camera.